Welcome back to My LS Luxury Autos. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome arrives as a dream machine for travelers who want the power of a heavy-duty truck combined with the luxury of a high-end home on wheels. The moment you first see it, you immediately understand that this is not just another RV. This is a massive powerhouse engineered for those who want to explore the world without limitations, without compromises, and without worrying about rough terrains, long distances, or challenging weather conditions. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome blends the legendary strength of Kenworth's trucking heritage with modern comfort, advanced technology, and the kind of living space that makes every journey feel like home. From the outside, the bold aerodynamic silhouette, imposing height, and road-commanding presence make it clear that this is a machine built for serious adventurers who want the very best. As you walk around the exterior, the engineering excellence becomes even more apparent. The modern LED lighting, strong composite panels, improved aerodynamics, and premium finishing give it a clean and powerful look. Designed to take on long-haul travel with ease, the chassis is built with durability in mind, supported by a heavy-duty suspension system that ensures stability, smoothness, and safety even on rough highways. The massive storage bays on the sides provide ample space for luggage, tools, camping gear, and everything a traveler needs for extended trips. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is engineered to be your dependable companion, whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountain routes, or cruising through long interstate highways. Under the hood, the heart of this giant home on wheels is its powerful engine designed for efficiency and long-distance endurance. With impressive torque delivery, refined fuel management, and smoother shifting, the 2025 T2000 Motorhome ensures comfortable and reliable driving even during extended hours behind the wheel. The enhanced cooling system, improved braking technology, and upgraded transmission guarantee that the motorhome performs flawlessly regardless of outside conditions. Whether you're towing additional equipment, carrying heavy onboard amenities, or simply enjoying a relaxed highway drive, the engine feels strong, responsive, and dependable. Drivers who demand power and reliability will appreciate how effortlessly this motorhome handles demanding roads. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome transforms into a luxurious personal residence designed with comfort, utility, and elegance. The interior welcomes you with premium materials, high-quality finishes, and a smart layout that maximizes space without feeling cramped. You'll find a beautifully crafted living area with plush seating, modern lighting, and advanced entertainment options that make road trips enjoyable for the whole family. The kitchen area is equipped with all the essentials, including a modern cooktop, spacious refrigerator, microwave, and high-end cabinetry that provides plenty of storage. This motorhome truly supports full-time travel with ease. Further inside, the dedicated sleeping quarters offer a cozy retreat for restful nights. Equipped with a comfortable mattress, soft lighting, climate control, and additional storage, the bedroom area gives you all the comfort of home even when you're parked in the wild. The well-designed bathroom area includes a clean and functional shower, high-quality fixtures, and a layout optimized for daily use on the road. Everything feels thoughtfully planned, durable, and built for long-term travel. The insulation and climate control system keep the interior comfortable in both hot summers and cold winter nights, ensuring that no matter where your journey takes you, you can count on a pleasant living experience. From the driver's seat, the 2025 T2000 Motorhome continues to impress with a cockpit designed for long-haul comfort. The upgraded seat ergonomics reduce fatigue, the digital displays provide clear information, and the advanced driver assistance features help keep the journey safe and smooth. With lane support, adaptive cruise control, improved visibility, and precise steering, driving such a large machine becomes surprisingly easy and enjoyable. The refinement is immediately noticeable, and the level of technology rivals that of modern semi-trucks, giving drivers full confidence on any terrain. On the road, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome delivers remarkable stability and smoothness. The suspension absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, the sound insulation keeps the cabin impressively quiet, and the motorhome maintains a strong, planted feel at high speeds. For families, travelers, explorers, or long-term RV enthusiasts, this vehicle represents the ultimate upgrade, a motorhome that is powerful, durable, luxurious, and engineered to last. It is built for people who don't just travel, but live the journey fully. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome stands as a symbol of freedom and adventure, offering a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and modern engineering. Whether you're taking short weekend trips or embarking on multi-state expeditions, this motorhome gives you the ability to carry your home wherever you go. With its blend of rugged capability and high-end luxury, it redefines what a premium motorhome can be. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to bring you even more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.